Hello and welcome to the second video of the HTML5 training course. The second video here, we're going to just show a quick video on how to code elements and tags within the body. Now let's pull up your code editor again using brackets. You can use whatever you want, maybe Sublime or Dreamweaver, whichever. There's plenty of them out there. So let's just go ahead and get into that default or index HTML, whichever you called it. And let's just go ahead and do a save as. And we're just going to call this elements tags HTML. That way we just have two there. And here we're going to go within the body element, and I'm just going to show you how to code some elements and with the opening and closing tags. So let's just start our web page with H1. Let's just say hello students, or you can say whichever you want. Now in H1 is the heading, and it's the biggest heading. There are all the way to 6 of them. Let's just go. I don't ever go past H4, otherwise I just put it in a span class, which we can use like this. And span can be anything you want, paragraphs or headings, anything you want you can put here. What I usually use a span for is paragraphs that I want to set with classes that are going to have a lot of different characteristics to it. Now let's get in above and beyond what we're going to go into. So let's just forget about that. I will talk about classes and IDs later on. This is in H6, whatever you want to call it here. I'm just kind of showing you the different headings, and then we have paragraphs as well. And this is just smaller text that you would put on the body, sentences, or whatever you want on the body. Anywhere you can do a lot with that. And then we have such things as called empty tags. And let me just show you comments really quick so we can just kind of, so I can kind of show you what these are. These are elements with opening and closing tags. Now the comment is pretty easy. It's pretty different on any language you use, but I just want to use this so I can show you what's going on, and you can have a reference later of what we did. And this one is going to be 2 empty tags. Empty tags are such things as page breaks, which you would use these in between maybe paragraphs, or I guess I should say within the paragraphs. Something kind of like that. So that's actually going to break that up. You'll see it. We can render the page in a minute. And then another one would be images. I don't really have any images on here at the moment, but we can just say example.jpg. It's not going to put anything. And when you have images, you want to use this alt tag, because if for some reason the image doesn't load, they're going to get this, whatever you want to call it. Be descriptive in it, because this actually really helps out for SEO purposes, which is search engine optimization. Google actually will pick this up because they can't read images, so they read what the alt tag is. So it's example picture, we'll just call it, and you can put in here is some keywords or long tail keywords, whichever you want. So let's move on to just showing you the correct and incorrect nesting tags here. I forgot that. And this one would be a correct one. And this is a correct. Let's just put an italic here so we know what nesting tag. Actually, I should have probably put this correct one. Oh well. So that's just going to make the nesting tag italic there. And I'll show you an incorrect way here. This is, what is a word? This is a incorrect nesting tag. Now it automatically does that, so I have to take that away. But I want to show you what the incorrect way would be. It's just auto thing. So see how that is? I'm closing the paragraph before closing the italic word here, words. So that's just the incorrect way right there. And yeah, that's it for the training video number 2, and thanks for joining.